Just going to do a quick video of this Chevrolet truck and show it to you. It's in really good shape. The body is perfect. I just want to get right up here and show you the tread. There's plenty of tread left on the tires. They look really good. It's got a bed liner, a rugged liner. It's the full four-door. The interior's in great shape. It's very clean. Has CD player, dual heat, air. You can do it on either side. It has 71,000 miles. It's just a really nice, solid truck. If you have any further questions, please let me know. Thanks a lot.